welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an update your wardrobe video. I'm actually in the process of doing that, so I thought why not make a video while I'm at it. And if you're anything like me, my style changes so much so fast, and there are countless times that I open my wardrobe and I literally cannot see anything to wear in a wardrobe full of clothes. If you're also that person, this video is for you. So let's go. As you can tell, I'm standing in front of my wardrobe or closet, whichever you want to use, and there is another one on that side and another one on this side. So the first thing you want to do when you're updating is decluttering, and that just involves going through the things that you currently have and separating those clothes and shoes that you wear from those that you don't wear. If you haven't worn them in a year or two, remove them, because chances are they do not match your current style, and sometimes we just tend to pile on things in our wardrobes or in our closets that we never wear, and it makes it really difficult to curate it into what we want it to be. And that is how we end up opening our wardrobes and we cannot find anything to wear. So 1 or 2 years, if you haven't worn it, remove it. And that is what I'm actually going to do for all my shoes and clothes, and then we are later on going to divide them into different categories. So let's start. Now that I've cleared off all the things that I don't wear from my closet, the next thing we're going to do is separate them into different categories. You can do whatever number of categories, but I'm only going to do 2, and that is giveaway and updating. For some of your clothes, you don't necessarily have to get rid of them. You can actually just readjust them or revamp them in some places and make them fit into your current style. I've had this trench coat for a long time and it just sits in my closet. I never wear it, and that's because like Nairobi gets cold, but not really that cold. So this is a trench coat. I decided to cut the sleeves off just to kind of make it fit into the normal Nairobi weather without it being like too much. But that just gives you a general idea of what you can do to revamp it. You can cut sleeves off, you can kind of change the way you wear your things, you can crop things, you can distress things. And one of the that's actually what I plan on doing with some of my jeans from this set of clothes that I have removed. One of the jeans is really big on me, it just doesn't fit anymore, and I plan on making it a distressed boyfriend jeans. Whether that works or not, I don't know, but that is the plan. And the other one is high-waisted. I want to cut it slightly at the end. I don't know how to explain it, but I plan to cut it slightly and kind of distress it. So we're going to see if that works out. I don't know if it's going to work out. I'm not going to film that part because it's my first time distressing jeans. You guys don't really want to see me distress jeans. But if you'd like to see some DIY videos of how to do that, which are actually the ones that I'm also going to be following, I'm going to leave the links down below so that you can go and see them. So I'm going to stop rambling and let's get into the separation. Okay, so once you're done with that part of sorting out the clothes that you already have and updating the ones that need to update it, I haven't updated mine yet, but I will update them and hopefully it will turn out well. But the next thing is adding a few new ones, and this is the fun part. But before you add any new ones, you want, like I said earlier, you need to figure out your exact style, your current style, then match the things that you buy according to that style. So for that, I use Instagram. You can use Instagram, you can use Pinterest, or any other app where you can save like outfit pictures, outfit ideas, I use Instagram, and I will try and insert a recording of that so that you can kind of get an idea of what I mean. But I use Instagram and I save all the photos that I see on Instagram of outfits that I like. I save them into a collection. Then when I'm going to buy new clothes, that's what I refer to, and it just kind of acts like a guide for you so that you do not end up splurging or spending so much money on clothes that you probably will not wear or are not necessary. So this just kind of acts like a guide and restricts you to the things that actually match up to your style. Yeah, so when you're going to buy new things, you want to kind of go through that collection and try to pinpoint the common things that you can see in most of the photos, because those are the ones that you want to invest in, whether it's like a long sweater or it's a certain kind of heels or a shirt or specific jeans, whatever it is. Those are the things that you want to kind of separate from the rest of the things that you can see in those photos. Then buy those items. And I would advise investing more in basic pieces than in trendy pieces, because trendy pieces can go out of style really fast, but basic pieces can basic pieces can take you through a long time. And when I say basic pieces, I mean things like shirts, t-shirts, sweaters, turtlenecks, skinny jeans, things like that that can last for a long time. They're not necessarily on trend right now, but they're also not off trend. They're just basic pieces. I hope you get what I mean. But yeah, those are the things that you need to invest more in than the trendy pieces. You can buy trendy pieces, but let it just be few, more of the basic pieces. You can either thrift or buy new ones. I actually recently went to a really nice thrift store that I had heard of, but I never went myself, and it's called Think Twice. And what I liked about this thrift store is, one, it is an indoor place. It's not open air where you just get burnt by the sun all the time. It's indoor, and the clothes are organized in racks, and there are fitting rooms, and I was really impressed. Like, I really liked it because it just makes your work so much easier, that you do not have to go through a whole pile of clothes to try and find what you're looking for. They're already organized for you in racks, and you can fit them. So I really liked that place. It's called Think Twice again. There are several locations. I went to one of the locations in Umoja. For people who do not live close to there, that may be far. It's also far for me myself, but I think it's worth it. Like, I really liked the place. So you can either thrift or you can either buy new ones. If you're buying new ones, the same principle applies, and there are several shops in Kenya that you can buy new clothes. There's Mr. Price, there's Woolworths, there's Truworths, there's Levi's, there's there's so many shops and that are coming up in these malls that you can buy. I personally prefer buying online. That's just me. I feel like it's way more convenient and it's cheaper, but you can choose any. You can either shop online or you can shop in the stores, whatever you like. But yes, that's just kind of the process that I go through when I'm trying to update my wardrobe, and some of the tips that I can give you guys. I hope they were helpful. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Like I always tell you, subscribe down below and hit the notification bell so that you get notified when I post a new video. And yes, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.